Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Justice S Ravindra Bhat appointed Distinguished Professor by NLU Haryana. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari to be Acting Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court. ED arrests Bengal Minister Jyotipriyo Mallick in Ration Scam case. PMLA Special Court to consider taking cognizance on ED Chargesheet against banned outfit PFI. Finance Ministry notifies rules for appointment of President and members of GST appellate tribunals. Man accused of misbehaving with Malayalam actress on board Air India flight denied anticipatory bail. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Justice S Ravindra Bhat, who retired from the Supreme Court on October 20th, has been appointed as a distinguished professor by the National University Sonipat in Haryana. Justice Bhat served at the Apex Court for a tenure of over 4 years. He obtained his degree in law from the Delhi University in 1982 and enrolled as an advocate in the same year. In 1989, he became an advocate on record before the Supreme Court, and in July 2004, he was appointed the additional judge of the High Court of Delhi. In 2006, he was accorded to be the permanent judge of the same High Court, and in May 2019, he was appointed the Chief Justice of the Rajasthan High Court. He was the Chief Justice of the Rajasthan High Court until 2019. Thereafter, in September 2019, he was elevated as the judge of the Supreme Court. Justice Bhat has been part of many important cases, including the recent same-sex marriage verdict, where he passed a majority but a dissenting judgment from that of the CJI. The central government has notified Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari's appointment as the Acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Uttarakhand, with effect from October 27th, that is today. Justice Tiwari's appointment comes pursuant to the retirement of Chief Justice Vipin Sanghi, who demitted office yesterday. The Enforcement Directorate arrested West Bengal Minister and Trinamool Congress leader Jyotipriyo Mallick in a money laundering case linked to an alleged scam in the distribution of ration in the state. The minister has been apprehended for questioning by the central agency in the case alleging a multi-crore scam owing to irregularities in the public distribution of food grains during the COVID lockdowns. Mallick was presented before a local court today, where the ED sought his custody. Yesterday, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, threatened to file a police complaint if anything happens to Mallick, stating that he was unwell and was suffering from various medical ailments. Mallick called himself a victim of grave conspiracy after being arrested and alleged that the conspiracy for his arrest was hatched by the opposition party BJP and its leader in the state, Subhendu Adhikari, who was a former colleague of Mallick in the TMC party. A Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act court will decide on November 6th whether to take cognizance on the supplementary charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate against Qasim Syed Mohammad Ibrahim, who is accused in a money laundering case relating to the banned outfit Popular Front of India. The case relates to alleged money laundering of Rs 120 crores over several years and alleged utilization of such funds for terrorist activities involving the PFI. PFI has been banned since September last year by the central government over its links with global terror outfits like the ISIS and other terrorist activities. The ED alleges that the collection of funds by the accused and other members of the PFI was by way of hawala, donation and banking channels for commission of various offences. ED also alleges bogus cash donations and bank transfers from India to abroad under a conspiracy by the PFI members over the years for conducting terrorist operations. The Union Ministry of Finance has notified the rules for the appointment of the President and members of the Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal. The Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal Appointment and Conditions of Service of President and Members Rules of 2023 defines the rules for the appointment and removal of the President and members of the tribunal and their salaries, allowances, pension, provident fund, gratuity and leave. Last month, the Ministry of Finance notified 31 benches of the GSTAT, which will be set up across 28 states and 8 union territories throughout the country. According to the notification, the state of Gujarat and the UTs of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu will have 2 benches of the GST Appellate Tribunal, and Goa and Maharashtra together will have 3 benches. The move to establish the tribunals comes for a faster dispute resolution Presently, the aggrieved parties by the decision of the tax authorities are required to move to the respective high courts, which takes a long time to resolve the matter due to the already existing workload of the cases on high courts. The Kochi Sessions Court in Kerala has refused to grant anticipatory bail to a man accused of misbehaving with a Malayalam actress on board an Air India flight. The dispute between the man and the actress took place during a flight from Mumbai to Kochi. The actress alleged the man was under the influence of alcohol and touched her inappropriately and passed insensitive and offending remarks against her, while the man denies all allegations. The Sessions Judge, Honey M. Verghese, denied anticipatory bail to the accused, stating that if bail is granted in the light of alarming number of offences and atrocities against the women and children, that will give a wrong message to the society. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.